This is our app, Snap2Find. Press sign up to enter the app. Once you're inside the app, you'll be greeted with a map where current games are currently going on. You can press events to see the current or upcoming events. As you can see, we just had one, which was the Easter event from April 2nd to 4th, and the Halloween and Christmas one are coming up later in the year. Now you can click on settings to look at your themes. So we have sports, history, landmarks, architecture, and random. Right now we have landmarks selected. And let's say we wanted to start a game. So we'll go to the Brickworks because it's a very nice spot. And as you can see here, we have the time it takes to complete. So 2 hours, 10 spots to find. The difficulty is medium. There's 2 to 10 players allowed. It gives you the location and a description of everything you need to know. Now, if we press open, that's opening a party so that other people can join. And here's the invite code if you want to invite your friends. Now, if you want to start the game, as you can see right here, 0 to 10 spots are found, and you're given the first hint. So the spot where you can see the Brickworks Tower and the CN Tower at once and have a campfire. So go to your camera, take the picture, campfire, Brickworks Tower, and also the CN Tower in the background. Take the picture, and you got 1 point out of 10, and now you get your second hint. So let's say you wanted to join the game. So you press join. Here you input that code that I was talking about earlier. And you can also find local games. So there's a game at the Brickworks, there's a game downtown at Earl Bales and at Castle Loma right now. So you could just join those, and it shows how many hours the games are and how many players are in each one. And last but not least, the rewards. Here you can see that I found 28 Easter eggs during the Easter event, and I can go ahead and claim those for prizes. And I can do the same thing with the 147 scavenger hunt items that I found normally. Thank you for listening.